Hi there, Fabian Alvarez, JESCO Lighting. I'm the Western Regional Sales Manager, and I'm here to talk to you today about our new constant current, high efficacy 24 volt tape light. Title 24 JEA compliant. High efficacy means you are getting higher lumen output for lower wattage, and you're getting the benefits of a longer run length. 1 watt, 150 lumen version of this, you can do up to 62 linear feet on a single run length. With this spec grade tape light, with getting consistent output from end to end. Benefits of this as well too, you are getting 1-inch cut marks and 5 watts, delivering 800 lumens. We offer a variety of extrusions that you could work with on this. Let's say you're doing a mud-in drywall installation. You're doing a 45-degree application, we have it for you, along with your traditional, whether it's a surface mount or recessed application.